How to create community group in WhatsApp. Creating a community group in WhatsApp involves a few simple steps. A community allows you to manage and organize multiple groups under one umbrella for better communication with customer, clients, or employees. And here is how to set it up. Firstly, ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp by updating the app through Google Play Store or App Store. Then simply launch the WhatsApp on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Then, in the bottom tab, you can see Communities option of level in the middle. Simply tap on the Communities. Here you can see Add Community option of level. Tap on it. Then tap on the Get Started. Now choose a name for a community. Optionally, you can add a description to explain the purpose of the community as well. Then once done, select the participants you want to add to the community. You can add contacts individually or in block. Then once the community is created, you can manage, add or remove groups, set up a community admin, or broadcast important messages to the entire community. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.